In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot in a Telegram private channel quickly and easily on Windows. This is perfect if you want to save important messages, reference content later, or capture something for your records without wasting time figuring out complicated steps. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your computer and go to the private channel you want to capture. Make sure the message or post you want is visible on your screen before you take the screenshot. This matters because the better you position the content, the cleaner your screenshot will be. Now, on your keyboard, press Win, Shift, and S at the same time. This opens the Windows Snipping tool shortcut and your screen will dim slightly. That dimmed screen means the snipping mode is ready, so now you can click and drag your mouse to draw a box around the exact part of the Telegram private channel you want to capture. Try to select only the content you need so the screenshot stays clean and easy to use. Once you release the mouse button, the screenshot will be copied to your clipboard. From there, you can paste it into an app like Paint, Word, PowerPoint, or even directly into a chat or document. If you want, you can also use the notification that appears to open the snip and save it right away. One important tip is to make sure the Telegram window is set up exactly how you want before you use the shortcut, because whatever is visible on screen is what will be captured. If the channel has a lot of content, scroll carefully and pause on the section you need first. And that's it. That's how to take a screenshot in a Telegram private channel using the Windows Snipping tool shortcut. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.